department. And Kyle Long, inside sales.
Yeah.
So that's it from me. Mark, why don't you introduce your guys, and we'll get started. Thanks, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
The technology internship program is really has two goals. The first one is for us to get to know the interns and to show them how we do things at Cars.com. In addition, we also want, hopefully, to be able to convert those interns into permanent positions after they finish their internship program. The second goal, and this is a new one that we did actually when we formed this program, is to hopefully come up with a team that can actually deliver what could be a potentially shippable product. So not only are they interns, but we actually put them on a team and have them come up with something that we could ship out to the market. So with that, I want to introduce the team real quick. Go ahead and do the next slide. So Quadro Antri is here. He's from DePaul University. And then Harsh Patel from Loyola University, the Ramblers. They've been doing the yeoman's work on this project. Helping them out a little bit has been some of the folks at Cars.com, with Mahi being the leader. Carrie's been on the team as well, Mark, myself, and Darren Kuhn. So Darren's been helping out as a mentor. But primarily this is the work that Harsh and Quadro have been putting together. When we first started this, we had a planning meeting. And the first thing I did in the planning meeting was I said, as a team, let's come up with what would be the headline for this project. If this was a newspaper headline, what would we create as a newspaper headline? And what the team came up with was, Cars.com shoppers go social with real Facebook prototype. Cars.com shopper goes social with real Facebook prototype. So with that, I'm going to hand it over to the team and let them show you what that looks like.
Making a purchase decision during car shopping is probably one of the most difficult decisions that car shoppers come to face. So with that in mind, car shoppers decide to talk to friends and families to get a decision on which specific car to pick. So with that in mind, we came up with a social compare app that uses Facebook to help car shoppers share their shopping experience when they're on Cars.com with their Facebook friends and family, so that they can get feedback and recommendations on which specific car to pick. So this is our product architecture. Doing this product, what we did was we selected 3 listings from Cars.com website. So based on those 3 listings, what we did was we used RESTful services to make a service call to get the details from Endeca vehicle listings, and you can see the details of the cars there. And we also use Facebook APIs to integrate with our app to get all the Facebook features. You can see we have recommend, send, comment box, so that the car shoppers can communicate effectively with their Facebook friends and family. So we're going to give you a very quick demo about our app. For now, take me as a car shopper on Cars.com who wants to buy a car. And I've come up with like 3 cars that I want to buy. But as of now, I might be confused because I have these 3 cars and I want to just pick one. So this is my Facebook friend right here, Hash. He's going to help me make a decision on which specific car that I want to pick. So I'm going to go right quick and show you the demo. So this is our app right here. You can see the feed of Cars.com. You can see the logo. Okay, you can see I've listed these 3 cars. I want a Ferrari, a Hummer, and an Audi. But I just want to pick one car. I can buy all of them. So what I'm going to do, you can see also we have the view details button right here. If the friend comes and you want to see the details of the car, you click on it, it's going to take you to the detail page. At the end of the day, when I'm down to 1 car and I want to remove the rest of the 2, I can just click on this remove button and I'll just pick the 2. As you can also see right here, we have the recommend and the send button. You can see it says be the first of your friends to recommend. So if somebody give me a recommendation, it's going to show up right here. When you scroll down a little bit, you can see a comment box right here, which allows you to make comments about these 3 cars. So what we're going to do is we're going to share our app on Facebook. So we have this share button right here. When I click on this share button, it's going to share this link onto Facebook, and we're just going to do the action for you. So it's asking me to just say something. So I'm just going to say need recommendations on which car to pick or something. Something small. Now I'm just going to click the share link. And right now it's on my Facebook wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sit back and relax and see what happens.
Now, I just had a cup of coffee. I'm Harsh, and I'm a Facebook friend of mine, Mr. Quado. And I just want to see the feedback. I just want to see the status updates of my Facebook friends. So I'm just going to log in into the Facebook. Okay, so here it is. On my wall, I can see that my friend, Mr. Quado, shared a link, and he needs some recommendation on which car to pick. So let me click on the link. Let's see. Oh, there you go. It's a cars.com logo, so I'm expecting that's a cars.com application. So I can see the pictures of the cars for which Mr. Quado needs a recommendation. I can see the vehicle inventory data, like make, model. If I want to see the view detail of a specific list of cars, then I can click on the view detail, and I can see also. So this is a cars.com vehicle listing web page, detail web page. So before giving him a recommendation, if I just want to know the whole detail of the car, I can click on it. Let me go back. So among these three cars, I want to recommend him a Ferrari. So I'm going to recommend him a Ferrari.
Are you paying for it too?
So you can see my Facebook logo over here, means my Facebook picture. If I want to send a specific card to Mr. Quado saying some message, I can also send him. Like, I can also send him a comment for all these three cars. So just let me comment. So I gave my all the recommendation. I sent him, I just recommend him, I also comment him. So I'm going to hand over Mr. Quado and he's then what to do.
All right, let me just go back and check on my app and see if I've got any recommendations. Right quick. This is my app right here. I'm just going to do a quick refresh. So I can see Harsh is recommending me the Ferrari, and when I go down there too, I can see his comments. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to pick the Ferrari and just abandon those two. So I'm just going to go ahead and just take away this Hummer and the Audi. So right now, this summer, I think I'm going with this Ferrari. And one thing I wanted to show you is also when you go on Facebook, so you can see everything that he did on the app also comes as a notification and also on my wall. So you can see I have a message on my Facebook.
Always see laptop so slow.
So you can see the message right there saying whatever comment you made on the app, you can see it over there. And you can see the notification too coming up on Facebook. So we just want to share with you guys the key performance indicators. See, this product is going to give the shopper confidence to whatever decision that he's going to make in buying a car. And also it's going to create social collaboration too between the shoppers and his Facebook friends and families. And definitely it's going to bring traffic to cars.com.
Okay, so these are the TIP program benefits for us to learn. We just learned about the agile methodology, we know, and we thank to our Scrum Master, Mr. Mark. We learned about the software tools, means these software frameworks like Spring MVC, RESTful Web Services. We learned about we familiar with the tools that we have to use like IBM Red and WebSphere and SVN repository, everything. And we got excellent guidance from our mentors, Mr. Combs. And yeah, we loved cars.com culture, and we are very thankful.
So before they open it up, great job, guys. The acting is superb. I don't think anybody was prepared for that. So that was a welcome treat. Thank you. Now, we've got a big group today, and we've got limited time. So this is the deal. You are limited to 2 questions. That's it. So they better be really good. So who's got a question for these 2 folks? Now I freaked everybody out. Anybody? Yes.
What was the hardest part? What was most difficult?
Oh, technically, the hardest part was retrieving the details from Andeka using the RESTful client, but with the guidance of our mentor, we were able to achieve that. Yeah.
Nothing else, we'll move on. Note that if you have questions for these guys, keep in mind you can get them out any way that you want. You can email any of us, any of the Strategy Biz Dev team, whatever name pops into your head, me. I'm sure email these guys directly, or Mark, or Mahi. If a question comes up about what they did or their projects, as a manager, if you want to learn about how Mahi set up the team for the summer, think about that. But I would encourage you to think about that and send those questions along. Guys, great job.